Are you struggling to merge, cut, or create custom shapes in Adobe Illustrator? Then this video is for you. Today, I will show you everything you need to know about the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Wait! Before we start the video, I have a quiz for you based on the last video. If you know the answer, drop it in the comments below. And if you don't, keep watching till the end. I'll reveal the correct answer and explain it as well. Let's get started. The Shape Builder tool comes with three powerful modes: Merge mode, Subtract mode, and Extract mode. In Merge mode, we combine shapes to create a new shape. In Subtract mode, we remove unwanted parts of a shape to make a new design. And in Extract mode, we separate a specific part of the shape while the rest stays exactly where it is. Now let's create something practical using the Shape Builder tool. Instead of random shapes, we'll make a cloud icon. This is a perfect example to understand how shape merging works in Adobe Illustrator. First, select the Ellipse tool, shortcut L, and create multiple circles. I'll make one large circle in the middle, then smaller circles around it to create a cloud-like shape. You can resize them and place them however you like. Don't worry about perfection right now. Turn off the fill to make the object transparent. Select everything using the Selection tool. Then select the Shape Builder tool from the toolbar, or simply press Shift-M on your keyboard to activate it. Notice how Illustrator highlights separate sections created by overlapping shapes? Here comes the fun part. Simply click and drag across all the cloud areas. I'll drag through the circles and bottom rectangle. And boom! Multiple objects are now merged into a single cloud shape. First, select the Ellipse tool and create a perfect circle. This will be our main moon shape. Now duplicate the circle by holding Alt and dragging, or simply copy and paste. Place the second circle slightly overlapping the first one. The overlap is important because this is what will create the moon shape. Now select both circles using the Selection tool. Make sure both shapes are selected before using the Shape Builder tool. Press Shift-M to activate the Shape Builder tool. Notice Illustrator automatically separates the overlapping areas. Now, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. You'll notice a minus sign appears near the cursor. Click on the unwanted overlapping section to subtract it. And there it is, a clean crescent moon shape. You can subtract any overlapping object to create unique designs instead of drawing everything manually. After exploring the Merge mode and Subtract mode, let's look at the third mode of the Shape Builder tool, Extract mode. First, select the Ellipse tool and create two oval shapes. Rotate them slightly and overlap them like this to create a leaf structure. The important thing is that the shapes overlap. Now, select all the shapes using the Selection tool. Make sure everything is selected before moving to the next step. Press Shift-M to activate the Shape Builder tool. Now here comes the useful part. Click on the center area that looks like a leaf, then separate it using the Selection tool. As you can see, we've successfully extracted a leaf shape from two overlapping circles. Now let's understand how to use the Shape Builder tool on strokes. Using a hot dog example, I've created a simple line art of a hot dog. As you can see, some stroke lines are extending outside the main shape, making the artwork look messy. To fix this, first, select the entire shape. Then, activate the Shape Builder tool using the shortcut Shift-M. Now, hold the Alt key. This changes the tool into minus mode, which allows us to remove unwanted parts. Simply click on the extra stroke portions that are going outside the shape, and they will be deleted instantly. This is a quick and clean way to remove unwanted stroke areas and keep your artwork neat. So that's how the Shape Builder tool can help you merge shapes, subtract parts, erase unwanted areas, and even clean up extra strokes with ease. Here's the answer to the question I asked at the beginning of the video. If your answer was incorrect, don't worry. Watch the previous video using the link in the description, and you'll learn the correct concept step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for easier Illustrator tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Keep designing and keep creating.